Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be discussing about what is comparable and what is comparator. So I have seen multiple students, even the experienced one, uh, like core software engineers, when the interviewer asks like which from in which compare two methods belong. Even I face the same situation. I get confused. So the purpose of this video is to have you guys give you a proper understanding what is which, like comparable is what and comparator is what, and give you a proper memorizing tips so that you don't even fail your next interview. This is my guarantee and the purpose of the video, that you will not fail your next interview if you will learn in my way. The tips I'll provide you will follow the same. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what is comparator and comparable? Okay, so these both are the interfaces used for sorting objects. Okay, but they have their each of them have their different purposes. For example, comparable has is used to define the natural ordering. Okay, by the way, comparator is used to define custom or multiple ways of ordering. Okay, and comparable belongs to java.lang package. Comparator belongs to java.util package. Comparable has compared to. You guys have seen this, table before also. This is a traditional table, but we read it, but we forgot which belongs to what. Like if someone asks, is which belongs to java.util, we get confused. So let's clear it for you guys. So I have prepared one more slide. So yeah, welcome to my new slide. So this is PS Magic Memory Tape. If you are watching it for the first time, so let me introduce it. So this is the Magic Memory Tips which I give in my all videos. I try to give it in my all videos so that I make you guys memorize it. Okay. So पहला टिप ये है, फर्स्ट टिप इज दैट कंपेरेबल एंड कंपेरेटर में नॉर्मल सा हमें एक डिफरेंस जो दिख रहा है इनकी स्पेलिंग में, वो है ए और ओ का. इसमें ए है कॉमनली एंड इसमें ओ है अगर हम लास्ट से देखें तो. ओके, सो इट हैज़ ओ एंड इट हैज़ ए. तो ये पहला टिप है, आप इसको याद कर लेना. ए, सो ए से एक वर्ड आता है दैट इज ऑलवेज इनसाइड, एंड ओ विद द वर्ड ओ कम्स आउटसाइड कंपैरिजन. ओके, सो पहला हिंट ये है, द ऑब्जेक्ट कंपेयर इटसेल्फ अलोन यूजिंग कंपेयर टू मेथड. और इसका हिंट ये है कंपेरेटर का, सॉर्टिंग लॉजिक इज आउटसाइड द क्लास यूजिंग कंपेयर टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है. सो क्या होता है, जैसे कि द प्रीवियस जो हमने प्रीवियस टेबल देखी थी, अब हम बोलेंगे कंपेरेबल किस मेथड किस पैकेज को बिलोंग करता है, राइट. तो कंपेरेबल जो बिलोंग करता है वो बिलोंग करता है, जैसे कि ए से अलोन बोला, राइट मैंने. सो ए के बाद आता है एल, तो एल के साथ क्या आता है, लैंग, जावा डॉट लैंग. एल फॉर ए एल, ए रिफर्स टू आफ्टर ए व्हाट कम्स एल. तो जावा के बाद डॉट के बाद क्या आ रहा है, एल. ठीक है, तो ये पहला टिप ऐसे आप याद रखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ समवन इज कंपेरेबल, सो यू ऑलवेज थिंक आफ्टर कंपेरेबल ए आया. ओके, ए इज फॉर अलोन, अलोन के साथ ए एल आता है, तो ए के बाद एल आया, so एल फॉर जावा डॉट लैंग पैकेज. सिमिलरली कंपेरेटर, in comparator o is there, right. O is our magic keyword. So after o, like the o keyword gives the letter outside, this gives the word outside or other, we can say. Okay, so after o what comes u in this, so o u is our magic keyword, you can see. So ये किस package को belong करता है, which package it belongs to java dot util package. See, okay, u for util, l for lang. So I hope this will be sorted. If someone will ask now in your sleep, you will be able to answer. Yeah, so now compare two method which belongs to compare two method which belongs. Okay, so here's one hint. I compare myself to another. Comparable में एक line है. You can say I compare myself to another. Comparable दो मतलब मैं अपने आप को compare कर सकता हूँ, right? So I compare myself to another. So myself is there, right? So it belongs to the same reference of the class, that is this reference. Okay, and similarly in comparator में है, in comparator it can compare two other objects. We are here comparing two other objects because o refers to outside. तो एक दो other objects, o refers to outside and o refers to other as well, तो it can compare two others object, not itself. Okay, तो comparable, I compare myself to others, तो compare word आया, so means इसमें compare to, right. compare to method है. और कंपेरेटर में आई कंपेयर टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स टू अदर, इसमें टू टी डब्ल्यू ओ वाला टू है. सो वी विल हैव ओनली कंपेयर मेथड, इसमें दो ऑब्जेक्ट जाएंगे, बट हियर एक वन दिस ऑब्जेक्ट जाएगा एंड वन एक और ऑब्जेक्ट जाएगा. आई विल टेल यू. ओके, वो अपने एक first will be the reference of itself and second will be the object reference of other. I hope you got it. Now moving forward. So this is also sorted. Okay, compare to किस में होगा, compare किस में होगा. Now, uh, शॉर्ट्स भी आपको हो गए हैं, पैकेज यू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड. नाउ क्लास. सो comparable, it allows the class change because here we have studied I compare myself to another, so we are looking for something in our change we are looking, right? If I am comparing myself to other, it means I am comparing myself, right? I am trying to make it, I am trying to make changing myself. So class is change, yes it is change, but in comparator no it is not change because दो बाहर के objects, two external objects are compared. So as we have discussed multiple things and we got a clarity on this table, so now let's discuss what we had in a previous traditional table. So if someone will ask like package, so which belongs to which package? I hope you guys will answer this correctly. Comparator belongs O, O for other, and also O for outside. So that will be Java or util package. Similarly, comparable A for alone. Comparable is for A for alone, A after A comes L. So java.lang package. Okay, similarly interface method comparable. So I compare myself to another. So it's compared to method, but in comparator only compare method is there. Okay. Now here sort logic location, it's inside the class because it is modifying is needed inside the class, but it's outside the class because modification is in outside the class. We are talking about two other objects. Use case, this is for natural ordering, this is for custom ordering. Okay, multiple ways of ordering. Natural, here also you can see in a natural multiple A is there, right? So similarly comparable, natural. Similarly in custom, O is there. So similarly comparator and custom. Modifies original class, yes, this modifies it as I already told, it doesn't modify this. Example collection dot sort list. Example here collection dot sort list and comparator. I hope you guys, because it takes two, two arguments. So I hope you guys got the point, and you will now remember this reference, and it may help you in memorizing it. In a code level, we'll be discussing in the next video. If you like my videos, please let me know. Please subscribe to my channel. If this magic memory tip help you in any way, do let me know. Thank you.